we have here the Nubia Flip, which is basically the same ZTE Libero Flip that we met a few days ago. It is a foldable in vertical format with a round external display on which we can have access to the camera and some additional widget tools. This flip is aimed at the mid-range, so it is not an extremely expensive flip. Its internal screen is 6.9 inches and it has a 4,310 milliampere battery. So it's not an exaggeratedly large battery, but for a folding device I think it's okay. In the photographic section it's not going to stand out because it has a 50 megapixel main camera and the secondary camera is only for depth capture. So I insist it's a foldable for the mid-range, although the processor is apparently the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. So it could become powerful enough, but in the rest of the specs it's simple. Through the external 1.43-inch screen, you can access C notifications and some quick widgets. It's a device that, like all foldables, is compact to fit easily in your pocket, and in this case its hinge seems to be well built with a slight gap, but nothing really serious. At least it has a more attractive fold than what we saw on the Galaxy Z Flip 4, so it may come to stand out in the mid-range market. It's IP42 certified, so it has little resistance against water, but note this edition in another color that has certain wave-like reflections. It's quite nice, like the vast majority of vertical foldables.